Happy morning, happy afternoon, and happy evening to all my Nanvas and Nanvis. In this video, we're going to see what are the problems in writing only a mock test, or there is no mock test planned. I am going to go directly to the exam hall. What are the problems we are going to see in this video, guys? Now let me tell you a small example. Even Virat Kohli, before going to that final match, he will do the net practice and then only he will go and play that final match, guys. And Rajinikanth, say for example, there is a dance sequence. He has to dance. Even though the steps are very, very mild, he will do rehearsals. He will practice. Then only he will go to the set for that take. So for all the students who are planning to go directly to the exam without even writing one mock, I only have one thing to tell you, all the very best, guys. Now, there is also a problem if you are going to write only one mock test. Let me be very honest, it is a serious problem. The problem is so serious that I thought I have to convey this through a video, guys. Now, let me show you the timeline. If your exam is in May, hand on heart, tell me when will you plan to write the mock test? 1 month before exam. So if your exam is in May, you will be planning to write mock test in April. If exam is in September, you will be planning to write in August, and same way for Jan, 1 month before exam, you will be planning to write the mock test. Now you all tell me, if there is a problem with your speed, that is, you're not able to complete a 3-hour paper within 3 hours. Now there is not sufficient time for you to practice more papers and improve your speed. Or there is a presentation mistake which is happening, or conceptual clarity itself is not proper, that is, accuracy is not there. There is not enough time here for you to rectify your mistake and go for the exams. So most of the times what will happen, whatever mistakes you are doing here, it is going to continue for the main exams also, guys. So what is the solution I have for all of you? The solution is simple. It is Dira Bridge test. Just a little flashback in your school days. Did you directly go and write the board exam? Did you directly go and write your final annual exam? Never. You would have written quarterly, then half yearly, then pre-boards, the giant similar to boards, then only you will go and write your board exams. And trust me, in your board exams, you will have full confidence. There was no doubt whether you will pass or fail and all. Full confidence you will go for your board exams only because you have practiced so many times. You have written so many tests before, so many exams before as practice. That is giving you the confidence in your final exam. Now the same thing, 14 years your body has tuned to do these things. We have just replicated the same thing in the Dira Bridge test. Your quarterly exams is nothing but your 25% test where each subject is split into 4. Your half yearly is nothing but your 50% test where each subject is split into 2. And your pre-boards is a mock exam that is very similar to the final exam where you will be writing 100% of the syllabus for 100 marks in a 3-hour period, guys. Now, for most of us, once we do this, you automatically get the confidence to go and ace the main exams like anything. Now in Dira Bridge test, you are going to get a customized schedule because each person will fall under different preparation category. That means some people will be still doing the watching of online classes. Some people would have finished the classes, but they want some test series. So wherever you are standing, we'll have that one-to-one call. Either I will have it or your mentor will have it with you to understand where you're standing, to make that customized schedule for yourself. Or some students will be there, ma'am, you just give me the schedule, I will follow it blindly. For them, I have a sample schedule here. If you see the sample schedule, What we have done is, I already told you, you'll be writing 25%, 50% and 100% test. The 25% test you'll be writing for 50 marks for a period of 1.5 hours. But ideally, you need practice to write for a 3-hour period. Why you have to do for 3-hour period? Why you have to do for 3-hour period is because most of the times when the exam paper is set for 3 hours, you always feel like you need that extra 15-20 minutes to do better. So that is the reason you need to practice from now itself for the 3-hour period. So how you are going to do this is, you are going to combine two subjects together. Let me tell you an example. Costing 25% plus audit 25%, you will be writing for 50 plus 50 marks, that is for 100 marks. If you are doing group 1, accounts 25% plus law 25%, you will be writing for 50 plus 50 marks for 100 marks. For a 3-hour period, you are going to sit in the same place and you are going to write it like a proper exam. I already told you, in case you want the customized schedule to be made, when you're having the one-to-one call, you will definitely get more clarity on that. For example, say auditing class is still going on, you're not able to combine these two. So what you can do, you can combine costing and FMSM, or costing separate, audit separate, something, somehow. Just writing the test is more important. So in the schedule, if you see, it's just a sample schedule. The first 6 tests are your 25% test, which is going to be a combination of 2 subjects, just for you to get the practice of sitting in one place and writing it like a proper exam for 3-hour period. The next 6 tests is going to be your 50% test, where you will be writing 50% of the syllabus for 3-hour period for 100 marks. And the last 3 tests are your 100% mock test, 100 marks for 3 hours. So once you are done with all the 15 tests, you will get full confidence to go and write your exams. Now, for some people, if it is difficult for you to write 7 tests per subject, that is your 25%, 50 and 100, if you ask me, I would tell you 50% is optional, guys. You can completely skip this 50%. After 25%, directly you can go to the 100% and give your mock exam. Or for students who cannot write the 25%, you can do 50% and directly go for 100%. That is also possible. And the exams you can write in online mode and also in offline mode. How you can purchase this test? In the Dira test website, if you come to our website, here the test series are also available just like our classes at a very, very affordable price. If you come here, each group only for 1,500 rupees, both groups or single group or group number 2, whichever you want, you can select here and make the payment. All the very best, guys. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to me. Yes, all the very best. Do well.